A poem by the poet Muhammad Sirajul Islam. Poem Al-Quran in the Life. The Quran is the philosophy of human life. Quran is the meditation knowledge. Where is the Quran in life? East, west, north, south, northeast became enlightened. Where is the Quran in life? The planets, stars, moon enchants upon hearing that philosophy. Where is the Quran in life? The desert garden and vast mountains was set free from the realm of ignorance. The Quran spread the message of peace in every fold. The Quran was revealed through the seven heavens, departing Lawh-e Mahfuz. A complete code of life started by removing 360 idols of Kaaba. Where is the Quran in life? Discarding oppression, lawlessness, slavery made great in equality. The Quran brought message of peace in the world. Misguided Muslims disobeying the Quran and forgetting the word of Allah. Still there is a time, please grasp the Quran. Quran putting on shelf with care. Muslims are confused today. Read a bit, understand that there is knowledge and science in every verse. Who is thoughtful? Analyze Al-Quran. The store of knowledge is inexhaustible where the mind is protected by searching. Obey the Quran at every moment of life. O Muslims, the lives here and hereafter shall be great and sublime. We should abide by Quran. We should follow our Quran. We should be dedicated to put our heart in Allah. Thank you very much, and thanks to the poet Muhammad Sirajul Islam. He wrote several poems on Islam, Al-Quran and Allah. Oh my God, oh my Allah, pray for him. Thanks, poet Muhammad Sirajul Islam, FCA. All are requested to hear my recitation of this poem in English. Thank you very much.